Alright, I want to show you how to rank your website in Google, improve your rankings using AI tool. Now we're just gonna go through the Semrush free, keyword. Now you'll get a free trial by clicking the link in the description and make sure check that out. You'll get a 7 days free trial. By using Semrush, you need to come into the keyword overview, or you can also go to the keyword magic tool. Now once you come inside the keyword magic tool, it's gonna ask you to enter a keyword and also enter the domain for personalized data, and you can also target the specific country. Now I'm just gonna leave it like that. So the first thing I do whenever whenever I do research or before I blog article is going to the trends.google.com to find out, to look up what is trending in my topic. So let's just say if I type sports right here and hit enter, now I can see what is trending, regarding the sports keyword. So let me just go here and you can see the search change is up by 20%, which is a marathon sports in a Hong Kong country. Now, if I want to show you let me just select the US or worldwide. So let me just put it in a worldwide and for the past 24 hours. Now, I don't want to focus on past 24 hours because it's just a trend and trends die. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in a past 3 months and see which traffic keyword is getting a consistent traffic over over the time period of 3 months. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down a little bit and see the rising queries, or maybe top queries. You can also look at the top queries and double down on that. So I would suggest going for the rising keywords or rising queries. Now we have got the trending keyword, which is up by 300%, which is a king up to the sports city, or we even have this all Nasser. So let me just take one of this and take this keyword and go to the Semrush keyword magic tool, and here I'm just gonna enter the keyword and hit the search. Now once you hit the search, what you need to do is the first thing you need to remove the intent of navigational keyword, because navigational is nothing but direct. Okay, so just sending a user to specific page, so we want to remove this navigational. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to only select these three and click on apply. And after you do that, what you need to do is take this keyword difficulty to probably from 0 to, let's say, 30 or 40. Click on apply, and what it does is Semrush gives you a wonderful data right here where you can look at the keyword difficulty, which has low and also very high volume change. Now you can focus on the very high volume change, but also at the same time keyword difficulty is very low. So let's just filter out. So I'm just going to tap it out from the lowest to highest keyword difficulty. And also let me look at the search volume, which has a high. So we have the keyword difficulty from 0 to all the way up to 40. So let me just scroll down, and here we can see Alpha Tech SEO versus all other stats, which is keyword volume is 320 and 12 keyword difficulty, which is a good keyword. So let me just go here, click on it. Once I click on it, it gives you a entire detailed data of the keyword. So let me just show you what I'm talking about. So we have got the search volume in our USA is 320 and keyword difficulty is 12%. But scroll down, you can also see SERP analysis from the domain or from the URL perspective. Now, I'm only interested in the first page, so you can pick any of this article. So let me just go to this article. So you can pick any of this article and see what the domain, how they have written, how, okay, this is just the sports update page. So let me just go and pick a blog post. So we have got this. So let it load. So what I'm basically trying to say is you need the keywords which they have used in this page. Alright, so they have written a blog post with an entire graph, all this table. Now you can copy this similar information and try to duplicate it. It's very easy using AI. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, so also you have the page authority score, but the thing with the page authority score is the less authority score and the higher. So you can see the page authority score is for the second ranking is 27, but the first ranking is 17, which means even though it has a less authority score, it is ranking. Something is making this URL, this page, rank higher. Maybe is the clean data which they have provided. So we can also exactly copy this table, just take a URL and put in AI. It'll do the job for you. And also you can see the search traffic which individual pages are getting, and also URL keywords they have used. Now I search URL keywords to keep it very minimum, like a 30 or 32, but also we have got the referring domains and backlinks. So you can check that and you can act upon it. And we have got the commercial keyword right here, which is the user wants to investigate brands and services. By the way, Semrush is offering Semrush One, which is entirely packed with all the digital tools which you need to rank, improve your brand visibility. Now you will get you know, all these AI features, especially in 2026, and you also have the local, SEO access, content writing, AI visibility, where you can look at the LLM prompts which your website has a chance to rank. And you also got the social and advertising and also AI here, and also you can look at the traffic and market analysis. And you can absolutely use it. There will be a 7-day free trial link. You can check the link in the description. Make sure you check that out. And that's it. That's how I do the keyword research, and catch you on the next one.